They have a chance to question each one of the jurors. They do get basic information about them, like the fact that they were born in a particular year and they live in a particular zip code. And you would think that they'd be able to look at the person and say, wait a second, this person is not 77 years old.
Exposed, Amber and Elaine planned mistake before court to redo trial loss. Team Heard already had plans to request a mistrial because they had a feeling they were going to lose. They're totally desperate to win this thing. It's pathetic. Amber and her team of lawyers are doing everything they can to make the public believe she's innocent, to the point that they're begging the judge for a mistrial. It's bad enough that they're begging for it a month after the jury's verdict was given, which is too late if you ask us, but they're also doing it on the grounds of a fake narrative. According to them, there was a fake juror present in the court and they were there for the whole 6 weeks of trial. They apparently found that juror 15 was not the same individual as listed on the jury panel, and that it appeared a 77-year-old was summoned to serve on the jury, but a 52-year-old who apparently lived in the same house and had the same last name came to court instead. They're pushing that these two people are related and that juror 15 wasn't the same individual listed on the panel.
Heard's team now pushing for a mistrial, claiming one of the jurors never should have been seated, writing, juror number 15 was not the individual summoned for jury duty on April 11, 2022.
So due process was therefore compromised. A mistrial should be declared and a new trial ordered. They said it's confusing why they're only bringing this up now a month after the verdict was given. Can't they think of any other reason to beg for a mistrial now? At first, they wanted to appeal the verdict, but it was obvious that Amber wouldn't be able to afford it. Then, she asked her insurance company to pay what she owed Johnny, but they refused. Now, she's making things up about an innocent member of the jury. Johnny's lawyers responded to this ridiculous request, and they're calling it desperate and frivolous. Well, they aren't right. It seems like Judge Penny agreed that there was zero basis for Amber's motion. She found no evidence of fraud or wrongdoing. She also pointed out that either father or son could have served, and that if the Heard team had a problem with it, they had every opportunity to object during the selection process. They didn't extend the trial for nothing. The judge went ahead and embarrassed Amber's team more. She said that the parties also questioned the jury panel for a full day and informed the court that the jury panel was acceptable. Therefore, due process was guaranteed and provided to all parties in this litigation. Everything was fair and they could have spoken up before if they thought it wasn't. That's enough proof to know that they planned this all along. So now, the judge denied their request for a mistrial. They can't overturn the verdict now. The judge is sick of their games. Amber Heard is required to pay Johnny Depp the $10 million and she can't get away with it. If she keeps on doing this, she may even be charged more. This isn't the first time someone refused to help them because of a ridiculous reason. Things don't always go their way. Amber and her team should know when to stop because they're just wasting everyone's time. Karma is about to come their way because on June 24th, the judge requested all the documents from the defamation trial to be unsealed. All their secrets and their lies will be accessible to the public. Honestly, with all of this, Amber can still appeal the jury's verdict, but the chance of her winning is slim to none after what the judge has done. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.